Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? Hope everybody is fit and fine. Okay. So, dear students, today we are going to start new chapter. Today we are going to start new chapter. Chapter number 13. Chapter number 13. And what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Means of Communication. Means of this word communication will not come here, so I will write the name of the chapter once again. Means of communication. This is class 3 and the name of the chapter is Means of Communication, and this is part 1. Okay, so today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 13, Means of Communication, and this chapter is given on page number 82. This chapter is given on page number 82, right? So dear students, before this chapter we learnt about the means of transports. It means in Hindi यातायात के साधन, the means of transports. Now we will learn about the means of communication. Means of communication means what are the means we all are using to communicate with each other, right? So in this chapter what we are going to learn I will tell you, but before this, everybody please open your EVS book, take the pencil in your hand, and whatever things you realize that this is important to you, you can make it underline there and there only. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to discuss about two things. First, meaning of communication. And second, various means of communication. These two things we are going to discuss in this chapter. So everybody is ready? Shall I start? Okay, I am hoping that everyone is ready for it. So first we will do this number of the following means of communication in order from the earliest one to the latest one. See, look at here. There are some pictures. You can see some pictures over here. It is given on your book. So what is written in the first line? It is written in the first line that numbers of following means of communication in order from the earliest one to the lowest one. So there are some circles given over here, circles given over here. Each and every picture, under the each and every picture circle is given over there, है ना? It means you have to earliest, मतलब आपको पुराने समय से लेकर लेटेस्ट समय तक, whatever means of communication we all are using, you have to give the number. You have to give the number in a particular order. Okay. So in picture number 1, see, I will show you in this picture, beta. In this picture, you can see the girls and the boys, they are talking with each other. It means they are talking face to face. This is also the means of communication. And number 2, letter writing. This wali pictures will tell you that this is number 2, है ना? पहले क्या होता था? पहले means of communication face to face होता था. But when time is, it seems that this letter writing, when we had the post office facility, that time we starts writing the letters. So this is picture number 2. You can write number 2 under the picture. or below the picture, right? Then जैसे जैसे टाइम आगे बढ़ा, हम लोगों ने उन्नति की, हम लोगों ने प्रगति की. So नंबर 3 पे we used telephone. We used telephone. नंबर 3 में this boy is using telephone. So फर्स्ट जो पुराना समय था ना बेटा, उस समय डायरेक्ट फोन की फैसिलिटी तो थी, लेकिन जो अगर आपको एसटीडी कॉल करना है, आउट ऑफ स्टेशन यू हैव टू मेक द कॉल, और आउट ऑफ कंट्री तो यू कैन नॉट कॉल. बट इफ यू वांट टू कॉल आउट ऑफ सिटी, आउट ऑफ स्टेशन, आउट ऑफ स्टेट, सो यू हैव टू बुक द ट्रंक कॉल, है ना. आपको पहले ट्रंक कॉल को बुक करना पड़ता था, और वो जब आपका ट्रंक कॉल बुक हो जाता था, उसके बाद आप किसी से फोन पर बात कर सकते थे. ये दिस थिंग यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड नाइसली because you haven't seen this actually. I have seen when I was a child na, that time I have seen this ki first we have to book the trunk call. If my trunk call is STD means out of state, so we have to book the trunk call, but you haven't seen actually this, so I don't think so you can understand in a better manner. Number 4, mobile phone. This man is in blue shirt, he is using mobile phone, है ना. After telephone पेजर आया था, एक पेजर में you can text the message, आप मैसेज को टाइप करवा के भेज सकते थे. Then after that mobile phone, है ना. After that mobile phone is the achievement of this modern era. Now, and number 5th, mail and email. Using computer, using mobile phone, this times of communication. Mail, email, Gmail, all these things, right? Okay, so number 1, this girl and boy. Number 2, letter writing. Number 3, making phone calls. Number 4, using mobile phone. And number 5, the last but not least, girl is using computer to communicate. Okay, so first we will discuss about the meaning of communication, है ना. So first I am going to read paragraph number 1, and I am hoping that all the students have the pencil in their hands, because I know personally that all the class 3 students, whether it is a Atharv, it is a Sharvil, it is a Samriddhi, Matullah, Mayur, and Vineet and Prakhar and Kavish, all the students are very bright and nice students of class 3. They are watching the videos and learning from the videos. So first, whatever is written in paragraph number 1, I will read for you, then step by step I will make you understand what is written, why is written, and what is the meaning or what is the cause behind that, right? Okay, so all are you ready? Okay. Communication means sending or receiving message. So this is the definition of communication actually. Communication means sending and receiving the message, है ना. So communication means sending and receiving. Sending and receiving the messages. Communication means the sending and receiving the messages. Okay, so this is actually the definition of communication, है ना. Communication means sending. Sending means in Hindi we can call it भेजना. And receiving means प्राप्त करना. Receiving means प्राप्त करना and sending means भेजना. So this is the meaning, this is the definition of communication: sending and receiving the message. messages. Nowadays तो we all are very communicate because we all are communicating from people very easily because we have WhatsApp, we have Facebook, we have Instagram. So फटाक से जो भी हमारा इवेंट हुआ हमने चैट किया WhatsApp पे, हमने फोटोज डाली. So everybody knows about us. What is the status of today, है ना? So nowadays communication is very easy. But when we will talk the early time, na beta, that time communication was very difficult because that time there is no mobile phone, no phones, no pager, no mail, no Gmail, no email, no Instagram, no WhatsApp, no Facebook, है ना? Only letter writing is there. और पहले के ज़माने में जो राजाओं महाराजाओं का ज़माना था वो तो कबूतर के गले में या उसके पैर में अपने मैसेज को लिखकर और फिर वो कबूतरों को उड़ा देते थे और फिर वो एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर अपने मैसेज को भेजते थे. उसके लिए वो लोग पहले कबूतरों को ट्रेंड करते थे. ऐसा नहीं होता कि बस आपने मैसेज लिखा कबूतर के गले में बांधा और उड़ा दिया, नहीं. उसके लिए पहले वो कबूतरों को ट्रेंड करते थे, ट्रेनिंग देते थे, उसके बाद ही ये पॉसिबल होता है. जैसे आपने बाहुबली पिक्चर में देखा कि वो बड़ी सी चील आती है और राजमाता शिवगामी देवी का मैसेज लेकर आती है बाहुबली के लिए, है ना? सो वो जो चील थी वो ईगल था, वो ट्रेंड था, वो उस काम के लिए ट्रेन किया गया था कि आपको ये काम सिखाया गया. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ clear to you what is the definition of communication? Communication means sending or receiving the messages. When we communicate with a person, we exchange our thought. What is the main purpose of communication? The main purpose, the main motto, the main lakshya of communication is that to exchange our thoughts. To exchange our thought, है ना? So the main motto, the main motto of communication to exchange the thoughts, to exchange the thought. They say exchange word is not new for you, है ना? This word you have heard so many times during festival chapters. Exchange means अदला बदली करना. Exchange means एक दूसरे से अदला बदली करना. During festivals we are exchanging gift from each other, we are exchanging sweet from each other. As like that, this exchange word is not new for you. The main motto of communication is to exchange the thought. अपने विचारों को, अपने भावनाओं को, अपनी फीलिंग्स को एक दूसरे से शेयर करना. That is called the means of communication. The means of communication. Okay, there are many ways of doing it. Pick up the landline and make a call, dial a mobile phone, write a letter or send a message through email. So for communication, for exchanging the thought from each other, there are so many ways, and by using those ways we can exchange our thoughts. Okay, so for what we can dial, we can take the landline phone and we can make a call. We can use the mobile phone, we can write the letter, or if you are very techno-savvy, you can write mail or email also. So these are the means of communications, right? Today there were various means of communication, but it was so many years ago. Today there were various means of communication. When we will talk about today's time, today's modern era's time, so we can say that there are so many ways of communication. There are so many ways of communication. 1 मिनट में आप खरगोन से बैठकर भी लंदन में बात कर सकते हो. खरगोन में बैठा व्यक्ति भी वीडियो कॉल के थ्रू लंदन में बैठे हुए व्यक्ति को देख सकता है। लंदन, अमेरिका, पेरिस, फ्रांस, न्यूयॉर्क, जापान, जहां पर भी हो आपके रिलेटिव्स, आपके फ्रेंड्स, आप विद इन अ 1 मिनट यू कैन see them directly with the help of video call, with the help of video call, or you can talk with them directly by making call, है ना, in earliest time। but यहाँ पर बात हो रही है पुराने समय की। in earliest time people use sign language to send the message, लेकिन यहाँ पर right now I am not talking about this time, I am not talking about this modern time, I am talking about the early time। पुराने जमाने में कैसे means of communications होते थे, कैसे लोग एक दूसरे से how they can exchange their views, their thoughts, how they can exchange their thoughts from each other, because that time there is no means of transport, there is no means of communication, but एक दूसरे से संवाद करना तो जरूरी है। so what are the sources they all are using, we will learn about them। so that time people were using sign language। sign language को we can say that सांकेतिक भाषा, in Hindi we can say that सांकेतिक भाषा, संकेतों के माध्यम से, साइन के माध्यम से कम्युनिकेट करने को साइन लैंग्वेज कहते हैं। ओके, सो साइन लैंग्वेज टू सेंड मैसेजेस, beating drums and smoke signals were some other ways to the sending messages। अब small example I will give you in Hindi so you can understand in a better manner। okay, suppose किसी राजा को अपनी देश की, अपने राज्य की प्रजा को कोई मैसेज देना है। आपने भी बहुत सारी यू हैव सीन इन सो मेनी मूवीज और इन सो मेनी कार्टून मूवीज, आपने बहुत सारी मूवीज में देखा होगा, कार्टून मूवीज में देखा होगा। तो राजा क्या करता था, राजा पहरेदार को बुलाता था और फिर वो लोग क्या करते थे, फिर एक बड़ा सा ड्रम लेकर नगर में जाते थे और डम 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 बजाते थे और बोलते थे सुनो 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 सुनो, आज राजा जी ने ये घोषणा की है, इस घोषणा पर सबको अमल करना है। तो ये क्या था, ये राजा का एक मैसेज था अपने देश के, अपने राज्य की प्रजा के लिए। लेकिन उस समय ना तो व्हाट्सएप थे, नो फेसबुक, नो व्हाट्सएप, नो मेल, नो जीमेल, नो ईमेल, नो टेलीफोन, नो मोबाइल फोन। तो लेकिन आपको कम्युनिकेशन तो करना है, आपको अपने विचारों का आदान प्रदान तो करना है। तो उस समय राजा लोग ऐसे मुनादी पिटवाते थे। क्या करते थे राजा लोग, ऐसे अपने देश में मुनादी, अपने राज्य में मुनादी पिटवाकर अपना संदेश जनता तक पहुंचाते थे, अपना संदेश जनता तक पहुंचाते थे। ठीक है, at a time the messenger traveled to feet to order on horseback to carry messages to distant place। अब ये तो सिर्फ एक ही राज्य की, एक ही सीमा की बात हो गई, है ना। but if the king wants to send the messages for a long distance place, then what they will use, तो वो क्या करते थे, अगर बहुत दूसरे राज्यों में भी अपना कोई मैसेज पहुंचाना हो तो वो क्या करते थे, वो एक सिपाही को घोड़े के ऊपर तैनात करते थे और उस पर पूरा मैसेज लिखा रहता था। आपने रामायण, जब लॉकडाउन के दौरान आप सब लोगों ने रामायण देखी थी, तो रामायण में जब भगवान राम ये अश्वमेध यज्ञ करते हैं तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो अपना जो भी मैसेज है वो उस घोड़े के ऊपर एक रथ लेते हैं, उस रथ के ऊपर अपना मैसेज लिखते हैं और वो घोड़ा एक शहर से दूसरे शहर, एक राज्य से दूसरे राज्य जाता है। और ऐसे उनका जो भगवान राम का मैसेज था वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे पहुंचा रहे थे। तभी उसी दौरान उनके जो पुत्र थे लव कुश, उन्होंने वो अश्वमेध यज्ञ के घोड़े को पकड़ लिया था और उनके इस घोषणा को चुनौती दी थी, है ना। तो अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि अर्ली टाइम तो देयर वर नो मोबाइल, नो फोन, नो ईमेल, नो जीमेल, नो व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, नथिंग वाज देयर। सो these types of means of communication were used by the early mans, These types of means of communication used by the early men. Okay, understand this much, you understand or not? I hope this much you understand in a good manner. So, dear students, this is the introduction of the chapter. So, I am not going to very deep. When we will meet in the next lecture, then we will discuss about letter, about telephone, about computer, newspaper, radio and all these things. So, we will discuss on these topics later on. So, today I am going to wind up my lecture. This much learning is enough for today. And when we will meet in the next lecture, we will discuss more about today's modern communication, today's times modern means of communication. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all. Keep watching because soon your annual exam will going to be held by this school. So keep watching, keep reading, keep studying. Bye.